Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, winters are already here and today I'm going to be showing you some really helpful winter makeup hacks with some of my favorite products that I found on Myntra. So let's start, shall we? Winters always give you flaky skin, and the one thing that's worse is when your foundation highlights your skin's flakiness. So to avoid that, winter is the time to switch to a foundation with a creamier base. Why? Because cream-based foundations glide smoothly over your skin, while a matte foundation will settle into the flakes and dry skin and make your makeup look very patchy and uneven. If you still want a matte finish, then you can always follow it up with a setting powder. So I got this recommendation from a friend for this liquid foundation by Mamaearth. It's a glow serum foundation and you can get it in your shade on Myntra. The same goes for your highlighter as well. A cream-based highlighter gives a more natural glow from within look, especially if you use it with a damp beauty blender. I am using this amazing highlighter by M.A.C. It's the Strobe cream in Peachlite that I saw on Myntra. This hack is my favorite one. Winter time is the time for dry skin. It just never stops, which is why you need to constantly moisturize your skin. I know, you must be wondering how you can keep applying moisturizer over your makeup, right? You don't. Do what I do. I always keep a face mist handy. So next time you catch your makeup getting dry or cakey, then just spritz a little face mist for that extra dose of hydration. It will help set the makeup and provide the much needed moisture. You just saw me using this amazing face mist by LANEIGE. It's the Cream Skin Refiner Mist. If you wanted to, then check out the link in the description. This is one of the best makeup hacks ever. Before you put on your makeup, use a primer on the driest parts of your face. This will give your makeup an overall healthy glow. During winter, you don't need to use it all over your face. You just need to focus on dry areas like your T-zone and the outer parts of your face, as these parts don't see much sweat during winter. The primer I just used is this amazing one by Colorbar. It's the Flawless Finish Primer. And if you want it, head over to Myntra. They truly have everything and are the ultimate beauty destination. The basis for any makeup is proper hydration, especially during winter when our skin is prone to dryness. So my tip is to use oil for hydration. Now I don't mean coconut or olive oil. You can go for an oil-based serum before putting your makeup on. You can go for rosehip oil or an Elixir oil, which contains many different oils in one. I'm using the Rouge Radiance Beauty Boosting Face Elixir. It truly is a game changer. You can get one for yourself by following the link in the description. My final hack for the winter would be for the one part that many ignore, the lips. It is so important to take good care of your lips during winter because they are the first ones to dry up and chap through the day. So what you can do is scrub your lips with a good lip scrub every alternate day and keep a lip balm handy at all times. When you have soft and smooth lips, it becomes a lot easier to glide on your favorite lipstick shades and maintain a smooth look. I got the MCaffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Lip Scrub and the LANEIGE Lip Glowy Balm in Berry from Myntra, and it just took my heart away. So guys, these were a few of my favorite makeup hacks for the winter. Try them out and put your most glam foot forward. And if you want the products I used in the video, then head straight to Myntra, the ultimate beauty destination, or you can just check out the link in the description box. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!